3.1 CR, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. Oh, like the race. This penthouse is going for the highest, most unexpected price, 4.4 CR, 4.5, 4.6, 4.6 going once, twice, and there we have it, 4.7, 4.7 going once, twice, and sold!
राशि हरी अप बिग बुल आ गए हूँ मैं।
इतना पैनिक मत करो आयांश। अच्छा, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, सिड भी आज पार्टी में आ रहे हैं।
सिड हु?
सिद्धार्थ सिंघवी, कॉटेज सील्स का ओनर, जिसके अगेंस्ट हमने पेंट हाउस के लिए बिड किया था।
हमने नहीं, मैंने। यू ऑलमोस्ट लॉस्ट दैट बिड। राशि, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
आयांश,
लेट्स गो।
हाय, congratulations.
थैंक यू।
Congratulations. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Let's go have a drink.
Yeah, sure.
I'm so sorry about him यार। वो किसी से ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते। Thank you so much for coming though.
You know, before you guys got married, my company was doing great when it got listed. And Ayansh had actually come in to trade my company shares.
पुरानी बातें हैं यार, भूल जा। Let's drink. Come.
Yeah. But now he doesn't even pick my calls. As everybody knows how bad my company shares are doing.
Don't worry, Sid. I'll talk to him. He'll help you. He knows how to make money from chaos.
Sure. But I think you know better than him.
I'll see.
हेलो सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, Rashi. Yansh, congratulations. काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रहे हो मार्केट में।
Thank you so much, sir.
राशि, तुम गेस्ट का ध्यान रखो। आई विल जॉइन यू इन अ व्हाइल।
Sir.
She is an asset. Keep her close.
हाँ सर।
मार्केट के साथ दुनियादारी की भी समझ है उसको।
आपसे एक ज़रूरी बात करनी थी, चलिए ना सर। What is this mess?
Ayansh, thank you for the gift.
I don't think Big Bull is interested in the partnership. इतने साल, इतनी इज्जत कमाने के बाद भी, he's not willing to take a risk on me.
मैं उनसे बात करके देखूं?
तुम्हें बिजनेस और पॉलिटिक्स कहाँ समझ में आती है? उन्होंने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी तो तुम्हारी क्या सुनेंगे?
Ayansh? Ayansh? मैं भी सेल बाय की को-ओनर हूँ। I think I can at least arrange a meeting with him.
सिद्धार्थ के साथ आजकल तुम्हारी कुछ ज़्यादा ही मीटिंग नहीं चल रही?
What? Ayansh, I'm just trying to understand his company dynamics so that I can help him.
By investing in his company?
Yes, I am considering it.
वाह, पूरी दुनिया में उसे मेरी बीवी मिली थी इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए। किसी और के पास भी तो जा सकता था वो। और उसकी पहले वाली सिक्योरिटी कंपनी का क्या हुआ?
That I don't know.
Why do you think कि वो तुम्हारे पास आया? ताकि मुझे हर्ट कर सके?
Wow. तो ये तुमने खुद ही assume कर लिया कि he did this to hurt you. What if he actually thinks that I am a capable, talented trader who can actually help his company grow? But नहीं, तुम्हें ये कैसे समझ में आएगा? तुम्हारे लिए तो I'm just a puppet, जो तुम्हारे इशारों पर नाचते रहे, जैसे मैं पिछले 5 साल से करती ही आ रही हूँ।
अरे तो अपने क्लाइंट्स को किसी और की कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करवाओ, वहाँ टैलेंट दिखाओ। उसकी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करने की क्या जरूरत है?
Ayansh, for once let me make my own decisions.
You know what? तुम्हें जो करना है वो करो। I don't want to be part of this insider trading game. It can cost you a lot.
Ayansh, I'm trying to talk to you. Volume
Former
come down.
champions. France have won it once, Argentina twice.
How dare you? How dare you? Remember, do not touch my company's fund to skyrocket other share.
I can't believe you left him.
अभी तक छोड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन अब उसके साथ रहना भी पॉसिबल नहीं था।
Well, good for you, you know. You deserve so much better.
सिड, तुमने ये देखा? देखो, see, your stock prices are rising up.
Hey, this is all you. Thank you so much. I knew trusting you was the right decision.
The person you are calling is currently busy, please. The person you are calling is currently busy, please. Call again.
Start short selling the shares now. मैं आजकल के मार्केट के हिसाब से नहीं चलता। मार्केट मेरे हिसाब से चलता है।
Rashi, what's happening? अचानक से रोज शेयर लोअर सर्किट पर बंद हो रहा है।
Don't panic, Sid. I'm looking into it.
अक्षरा जी, थोड़ा फंड्स भेजिए ताकि आप
मुझे पता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो। What do you think of yourself?
Is he the one who's dropping the share prices?
Let's go to a private event tonight.
What are you saying, Rashi?
Big Bull का charity event है. And to kill the bear, we need the bull on our side. और अगर वो हमारी कंपनी में एज एन इन्वेस्टर इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं तो तुम्हारे शेयर्स को कोई टच नहीं कर सकता.
बट वो इन्वेस्ट करेंगे क्यों?
वो सब तुम मुझ पे छोड़ दो. Hi.
Great, actually. How are you? I'm good. How's it going? How's your business? Great. Me too.
Hello. I'll see you again. Sure.
Bye. See you.
थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग. जैसा आप जब जानते हैं कि फ़िलहाल मैंने फीडिंग हंगर फाउंडेशन के साथ हाथ मिलाया है. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप दिल से बोली लगाएंगे. रिमेंबर, इट इज़ फॉर अ गुड कॉज.
Thank you for such a beautiful introduction, sir. I'd like to present to you the 1995 S-Class. What a beauty.
ये कार मेरे लिए काफ़ी लकी रही है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि जिसे भी आज ये कार मिलेगी उसकी ज़िंदगी में भी एक अच्छा लक लेके आएगी.
I would like to start the bidding at 1 CR. 1 CR, 1.1, 1.2,
I think you should bid on this one.
1.3, 1.4,
अरे कदम जी,
1.5,
थोड़े तो अपने कदम आगे बढ़ा लीजिए. अच्छे कॉज के लिए है.
1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. Oh, looks like this is a war. Beauty. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.3 going once, twice, and number 6 na 2.4, 2.4 going once, 2.4 going twice, going thrice. Sold to the lady in blue, number 14.
Congratulations, Rashi.
Thank you, sir. But it was Siddharth's bid.
Thank you, sir.
I'm impressed by your style. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Coronavirus, so that means the cases are only increasing, but it's not just the end on the visa system, but also that on the test sector, because there's mayhem on Dalal Street that continues with markets suffering sharp losses over the coronavirus crisis.
Guys, can you excuse us for a minute? Thank you.
Till now, the markets have fallen by 500 points.
I know, sir. I think it's going to fall more this week.
That's the reason I'm personally here to tell you that I need to sell my holdings in Cottage Steel Industries to support my other holdings.
Hi, Sid.
Hi, Rashi.
Big Bull wants you to buy back your company shares.
I'm sorry, Rashi, but I don't have any funds to buy back my shares.
Don't worry, I'll do something about it then.
Please look into it.
Yeah.
Shot on target, having played well over 400 minutes at this World Cup. Feeder across to Strinic, who was perhaps the one minor injury doubt concerning Croatia coming up to this final, is able to clear.
Breaking news.
Sellbuy Capital Partners has bought 21% of Cottage Steels. Sellbuy is now the majority stakeholder in Cottage Steels. Moving on to our next.
So after the market crashed, Big Bull wanted to dump all the shares of Cottage Steels. So I stepped in to save the shares and the company image.
As we all can see, Rashi as an individual holds a strong position in our company. I suggest we should give Rashi a position as one of the board of directors of our company today.
What?
So it's best for company growth. जब से राशि मैम आई है, तब से कंपनी के डायनामिक्स काफी चेंज हो गए हैं.
Thank you so much, everyone. I humbly accept this position, and I promise to get this company everything that it deserves.
बट ये हो कैसे सकता है?
Don't worry, Sid. तुम अभी भी कंपनी के ओनर हो. बस तुम्हें बिजनेस पॉलिटिक्स नहीं आती, तो वो तुम मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Thank you, sir.
Rashi, wait. I'm so proud of you. तुमने उस सिद्धार्थ को उसकी औकात दिखाई दी.
Ayansh, thank you so much, but I did not do this for you. I did it for myself. See you.